So yeah, I don't know this Kasi, I don't know this location, this black neighborhood, but along the way we will have to ask someone. But it's right here in it's under Mabopane, but it's a different location. So let's find out the name of this location. It's a black neighborhood, and later on I'll be giving you the name of this location, guys. So bear with me, walk around with me, and then enjoy every view. Yeah. A nice house is here. It's tiring here, guys. Sorry if I'm not giving so much information. Maybe you might be looking, but I know I'll get it. One way or the other, I'll get it. Keeping the yard smart. Actually have nice beautiful houses here. Can you see that, guys? This is a beautiful Kasi at location, black neighborhood. This location also falls under Gauteng in Pretoria, Gauteng province in Pretoria. Hey young man, sharp. Nice, quieter here. There are some RDP houses, you call them here in South Africa, RDP houses. House like that one day. Yeah, just was another area. You know, the quietness of this area amazed me. It really amazed me, the quietness of this area. I think let me go down there. I love this place. I think I could live here. It's quiet, very quiet and nice. Hello sis, Jenny. Can I ask you something? What is the name of this place? No, this area. I know it's Mabopane, but this area. Eh? CV, ne? Okay, thanks man. This place is called CV. Like I told you guys, I'll be able to give you the area. So it's Mabopane, but it's the location is CV, under CV. So wow, this is interesting. I have to talk to this girl some other time back in another video. Yeah, Salmona. Right? Or you want to say something? Maybe you want to say, you want to ask something? No, not really. Okay. They run away. They're coming up shy. They're looking at this camera like crazy. You know, maybe they wanted to ask something. Now I'm asking, do you want to ask something? They shy away. That's how it is like in this area, guys. Let's just look around. What we came here for, and keep on asking different people if they're telling me the truth. This place is CV because Ebafanyan, Ushap? Okay. Linda ibizwa ini? King black e.
CV.
Ki CV. Block CV. Yeah, okay. Kimang bizo la how? Litabo. Ushap litabo. Kina walk Africa ne. Okay, sharp. Kitla kir. Sharp. Okay, this is Letabo. And Letabo tells me this place is CV as well. So they are not lying. It's the truth. Actually, this area is CV. So let's go up. Let's see what we have there. If we still have good people around, nice people around. Got to see people playing different games here. So very close to me up there, when you're going up there, there is a park. Let's pass through it. So this is a park, and in the park you find people who are selling clothes. Amazing, super amazing. Super amazing. Everyone is selling something. Super amazing. What do you think about this place, guys? Let me know in the comment down below. If you like what you see, just let me know what do you think.